Hi friends, welcome back to Eat East Indian channel, and today I want to share with you my delicious, flavorful vegan feast in case you missed my last few videos. So I've got here soya chunks and zucchini stir fry. I've also got spicy, tangy jackfruit, that's a cuttle dish, and I've got here cauliflower fried rice, which are colored by turmeric, has green peas in it, and all these dishes are literally ready in only like 10 minutes. So you can have this feast ready for dinner tonight. And I'm sure that even your non-vegetarian friends will enjoy them as much as a vegan crew. So don't forget to check out these recipes, give them a try. Give them a little bit of your own touch and play with these ingredients. They are healthy, they are nutritious, they are flavorful when cooked the right way. So if you are on your journey to become a little bit more fit, these three dishes can definitely fit the bill. So soya chunks and zucchini, jackfruit cooked with onions and tomato gravy, and cauliflower fried rice. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Do subscribe to Eat East Indian.